Good day, human beings. Today we are in the Netherlands, like all the other days, because we stay local. Here we use the horse manure to get some nice plants. Some plants what are beneficial for the horse and for the human beings. This is very dry, poor ground, sandy ground, so it's not easy to get nice fruit trees. But with a little bit help and with some horse manure, it will be in balance, and we will have like apple trees and some other plants which I don't know the English or the Latin name. This is from the rose family. This is like a berry, black or red berries. And this is duindoorn. That's a Dutch name. And salix. Salix. This is also salix. A salix tree, what will be in the future a fence for the horse. The horse likes salix. Poor tree here, bitten there, but we give it some love from the horse and a bite from the horse, and then it will be hopefully in future beneficial for everybody. In Europe we have some periods with more rain and some periods with more dry. So with some trees the water will stay longer in the area. So hopefully we don't get yellow grassland like before. Only the yellow from the flowers. So as you can see, this area is split in two, so the horse can eat this, clean this, and then the grassland with the flowers has some more time to grow. Good for biodiversity. Oh, this is a naughty boy. Oh, it's very nice, but he comes too close. That's braaf. For the snakes and good feeding for the future plants, we have a snake place. We have very nice snakes in the Netherlands. Not so much, so sometimes we help nature a little bit. In the Netherlands we have a lot of people. Too much people if you ask a farmer like me. And all those human beings like to walk and to have a garden and to do things. So nature must be protected. That is not for all the farmers very easy, because our area, our ground is not only from ourselves but also from the society with the laws and the rules. So a lot of farmers like to go to USA or Canada or other areas with some more place, some more space with less people. So you have the freedom to do what you like, to do what you want. But here it must be in balance with nature. Happily we love nature, so it's for us a win-win. So we're going to be eco-friendly, and we like projects like this with the snakes. The Dutch word is ringslang. It is not a bite snake, but a mussel snake. That's probably not the correct English translation, but I think you understand what I mean. And also some trees from the forest, like this larix, probably a crossbreed with the European and the Japanese larix, but very good for the wood production. Lork is the English word. Lork tree. Very nice tree. Good wood. Thank you for watching. Be good for your environment, for your people. And get wealth because you are good. Getting success. Getting more out of the land. Be productive.